Introducing BANA. The multi-talented artist taking the music industry by storm. As a producer, beatmaker, composer, accordionist, keyboardist, performer, and movie maker, BANA has established himself as a force to be reckoned with. BANA's music delivers a deep message that resonates with audiences worldwide. His lyrics are reflective of life's challenges and offer hope to those who have lost faith and are still trying to hustle for a better life. His genres include tap-tap music, house music, Amapiano, hip-hop, and Tshepe, a unique genre that he pioneered and introduced to the world. As a proud Sesotho traditionalist, BANA's Tshepe music has become a fan favorite, reminding people not to forget their traditions. He's a magician when it comes to creating music, with the ability to produce a beat in just 6 minutes. He's collaborated with renowned artists such as Tony Bach, Trapezo, KG, Starvigator, Fifi wa Bantwana, DJ Desrock, and Chili Saw.
Besicela nimseke niphinde nimsupport. Ngoba useyithathile iFree State. Wayibeka ezingeni eliphezulu. Noma ke kungakafiki lapho kakhulu. Kodwa into enhle iyanqonya.
Bye.